CX teams are much more cross-functional than they ever were before. And on top of this, our customer expectations are growing. Our customers expect real-time service, for us to meet them where they are, and this needs to be personalized.
Your needs are changing all the time. The world is changing all the time. We know customization is a huge part of that, and customizing your CX solution can be a huge undertaking. We've heard how much you love these customizations, but we know it's just the beginning. We know you need more. Agent Workspace helps you operate at scale. Teams of all sizes can personalize the experience, have conversational service with their customers across any channel, all in this one unified workspace. Build Out is an all-in-one commercial real estate listing platform. With omni-channel routing, agents are performing 25% better month over month. They're seeing their CSAT scores increase, and they've even decreased their first response time by 84%. Your needs are changing all the time. The world is changing all the time. We believe that every CX team should be able to easily customize their experience, and it shouldn't require any heavy lifting.